Hi guys, it's Marcus here, and I'm at my new barbecue location. This is where UK BBQ School is moving to. As you can see, there's been a bit of progress over my shoulder here, so they've put the foundations in, the rubble down, the hardcore, and now they've got this beautiful big wall that they're building. That is going to be where the decking sits on, so it's pretty big. As you can see, there's diggers there. There's my little mates there. Those guys better watch out if I'm doing whole hog classes. But yeah, lovely little guys there. And yeah, it's pretty big barbecue area this is going to be. So this is going to be a lovely big decked area with a couple of log cabins, a nice covered area in the middle. And I'm really excited. So we've got a few little friends here. So there's a nice lake just on this side. And there were some ducks around somewhere. Where are they? So there, they've done a runner. They saw me coming, but there's some ducks up there. Beautiful Devon countryside here on this beautiful farm shop. As you can see, now this is the decked area is going to be here, and it's going to go all the way over here. So lovely, great big space for lots of people to barbecue, to learn to barbecue, and this is going to be the best place where people in the southwest are going to come to learn to barbecue, where they're going to enjoy the barbecue experience, spend time with their family and friends cooking barbecue. When we come out of lockdown, this place is going to rock. Follow me for more information and to enjoy this journey as I go through it. I love that you guys are coming on this journey with me. Cheers.